a dream home for growing families that prioritize comfort and convenience. This is Canvas at Life Republic by Kolte Patil Developers. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. In today's video, I am going to give you the project overview of Canvas at Life Republic, which is developed by Kolte Patil Developers. So, as you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the entrance that leads you to the sales office of the Life Republic Township, and in front of the entrance you get the internal township road जो आपको लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है काटे बस्ती रोड से और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है मारुंजी रोड से. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I proceed into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 6.34 acre of land parcel having 4 towers, in which you will be getting ground plus 4 podium plus 30 floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located near Marunji Road, Life Republic Township, Punavle, Pune. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है 18 Latitude Mall, which is 2.8 kilometers away, Mumbai Bangalore Highway, which is 4.3 kilometers away, and Surya, which is 4.6 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about this project's amenities with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 40 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, kids play area, clubhouse, landscape garden, amphitheatre, sitting area, and many more. Now let me tell you about the carpet area of this project. This project has 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, in which you will be getting 3 BHK starting from 1330 to 1500 square feet, 3.5 BHK which has 1700 square feet, and 4 BHK which has 2024 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client may come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they may proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of Canvas at Life Republic Township, which is developed by Kolte Patil Developers and is located near Marunji Road, Life Republic Township, Punavle, Pune. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download an e-brochure and price sheet. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.